Introducing the Rexing M1, M1 Pro, and M2 dash cams. Insert a Class 10 UHS-1 or higher micro SD card into the memory card opening. Gently push the card in until you hear a click. Unhook straps from the back of the dash camera and wrap them around your rearview mirror. Connect the straps to the hook on the back of the camera to secure the camera to the rearview mirror. Attach the rear camera to the rear view of the car using the included 3M tape or mounting screws. Attach the included camera cable to the rear camera, then run cable along the top of the vehicle's roofline, using the provided tool to hide the wire under roof panel and trim until it reaches the front camera. Carefully run the power cable around the windshield, hiding any remaining cables under the roof panel and trim. Connect power and rear camera cables to the dash camera. Connect the power cord to your vehicle's 12-volt DC power outlet. With the micro SD card inserted, power on the device. Use the settings button and arrow keys to navigate the menu and select Format. Tap Yes and press OK to confirm selection. The Rexing dash cam is now ready to automatically start recording once powered on.